So friend, let's begin with our next phylum, that is green sulfur bacteria. This phylum includes three different organisms, that is chlorobium, chlorobaculum and chlorochromatium. Chlorobium, chlorobaculum and chlorochromatium. Green sulfur bacteria are phylogenetically distinct group of non-motile, unoxygenic, strictly anaerobic phototrophic bacteria. So this complete phylum itself is non-motile and unoxygenic, anaerobic phototrophic, स्वतःचं फूड स्वतःच synthesize करतात. This group is morphologically restricted and includes short to long rods. The picture is like this. Like purple sulfur bacteria, green sulfur bacteria utilize hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S, and convert that hydrogen sulfide first into elemental sulfur, that is S0, and later on into sulfate, that is SO4 twice negative. But unlike purple sulfur bacteria, elemental sulfur, that is S0, produced by green sulfur bacteria is deposited outside the cell. म्हणजे या elemental sulfurला ते intracellularly store करून ठेवत नाही, ते त्याला सेलच्या बाहेर डिपॉझिट करतात. Autotrophy is supported not by the reaction of Calvin cycle, म्हणजे ते food synthesis C3 pathway नी करत नाही. They utilizes reverse TCA cycle. आपली Krebs cycle, reverse Krebs cycle नी ते food किंवा ATP synthesize करतात. CO2 as well as ATP by using reverse. This reverse TCA cycle also we have studied in last semester on oxygenic photosynthesis. Fine. So this is a picture of reverse TCA cycle. What happened, friends, in case of normal Krebs cycle, as you all know, we have studied this lot many number of times. First there is glycolysis. Glycolysis is followed by Krebs cycle. The end product of glycolysis is pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid enters into the Krebs cycle via acetyl CoA. That means acetyl CoA को use करके CO2 को fix किया जाता है as far as normal Krebs cycle or TCA is concerned. But as far as reverse TCA is concerned, we have to start it from oxaloacetate. What happens in case of normal Krebs cycle? Acetyl CoA combines with oxaloacetate in case of normal TCA cycle, and there is formation of citrate, isocitrate and so on. But in case of reverse TCA, you have to start the diagram from oxaloacetate and go in the backward direction. That is, first malate is synthesized, fumarate, succinate, succinyl CoA, alpha ketoglutarate or 2-oxoglutarate, oxalosuccinate, isocitrate and citrate. When citrate gets back converted into oxaloacetate, there is a release of acetyl CoA. ठीक है. So what it is written, the reverse Krebs cycle called as reverse tricarboxylic acid cycle or reverse citric acid cycle is a sequence of chemical reactions that are used by some bacteria to produce carbon compounds from CO2 and water. त्या केसमध्ये आपण काय करत होतो, CO2 आणि वॉटरला बनवत होतो फ्रॉम कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. इथे काय होत आहे, कार्बन कंपाउंड्स पासना अपन CO2 आणि वाटरला गेन करतो है. वहां पे CO2 एंड वाटर को यूज करके कार्बन कंपाउंड्स को सिंथेसाइज किया जाता था. गॉट इट? So this is about reverse TCA, by which green sulfur bacteria will synthesize its ATP and CO2 and other compounds. Just a minute. Now The reaction is the citric acid cycle runs in reverse direction when the Krebs cycle takes, where the Krebs cycle takes complex carbon molecules to form sugars and oxidize them to CO2 and water. म्हणजे क्रेब्स सायकल जेव्हा नॉर्मल रन होते तेव्हा एंड प्रोडक्ट्स काय बनतात बेटा, CO2 आणि वॉटर. बट रिव्हर्स क्रेब्स सायकल मध्ये CO2 आणि वॉटरला आपण यूज करतो टू मेक द कार्बन कंपाउंड्स. This process is used by some bacteria to synthesize its carbon compound, sometimes using hydrogen sulfide, thiosulfate as their electron donor. Then in this process, it can be seen as an alternative to fix the inorganic carbon in the reductive pentose phosphate cycle. Reverse TCA जर नसेल proper होऊ शकत, in that case they can use pentose phosphate cycle also for the synthesis of carbon compounds. So who own green sulfur bacteria. Then pigments and ecology. Which type of pigments are produced by green sulfur bacteria? Basically they are green in color, so it produces such pigment which fluoresce in a green color. So basically they produce bacteriochlorophylls, preferably bacteriochlorophyll A, bacteriochlorophyll C, D or E are preferably produced, and all these bacteriochlorophyll are clubbed into one complex, and that complex is called as chlorosomes. Their function is to funnel the energy. If you remember light phase of photosynthesis in which PS1 and PS2 we have studied, both PS system having a reaction center made up of chlorophyll molecule. पण त्या क्लोरोफिलला लाईट एनर्जी प्रोव्हाइड करण्याचं काम करत होतं बेटा अँटिना पिगमेंट मॉलिक्यूल. Likewise, this bacteriochlorophyll act as an antenna pigment molecule and it funnel or channelize the light energy up to the reaction centers. Both green and brown colored species of green sulfur bacteria are known. The brown colored species containing bacteriochlorophyll E and carotenoids that make the cell suspension brown. This is green one, this is brown one. Now green sulfur bacteria other than our normal one, consortia. कंसोर्शियाचा अर्थ काय होतो बेटा, कॉम्बिनेशन, सगळ्यांना एकत्र ठेवून जे काही कल्चर बनवलं जातं that is called as consortia. Certain species of green sulfur bacteria form an intimate two-membered association called as consortia with a chemoorganotrophic bacteria. हे होते बेटा फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक. प्युअर जे ग्रीन सल्फर बॅक्टेरिया आहे ते फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक होते. त्यांच्यासोबत आपण काही असे ऑर्गॅनिझम मिक्स केले जे कोण आहेत, किमो ऑर्गॅनोट्रॉफिक, आणि त्यांचं मिळून जे मिक्सचर बनलेलं आहे दॅट मिक्सचर ऑर aggregatum, chlorochromatum aggregatum, this organism is clubbed with the green sulfur bacteria and ते जे मिक्सचर बनलेलं आहे that mixture is called as consortium. The phototrophic component called as एपिबायोन, म्हणजे जे फोटोट्रॉफिक ऑर्गॅनिझम आपण ऍड केले त्याला म्हटलं जातं एपिबायोन, is physically attached to the non-phototrophic central cell and accumulates with it in a various ways. The name Chlorochromatum aggregatum has been used to describe commonly observed consortium that is green because the एपिबायोन जे बाहेरून आहेत are green sulfur bacteria that contain green colored carotene. आतमध्ये आहेत बेटा नॉन फोटोट्रॉफिक आणि बाहेरून त्याला कोट केलेला आहे फोटोट्रॉफिक. फोटोट्रॉफिक म्हणजे कोण, आपले ग्रीन सल्फर बॅक्टेरिया, आणि त्याच्या आतमध्ये आपण कोट केलेले आहे किमोट्रॉफिक बॅक्टेरिया, अँड दिस मिक्सचर ऑर द ॲग्रिगेट इज कॉल्ड एज कंसोर्शिया. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण 3 नावं बघितले होते, क्लोरोबियम, क्लोरोबॅक्युलम आणि क्लोरोक्रोमॅटियम. त्याच्यातलं आपण एक डिटेल मध्ये घेऊया किंवा 2 बघू डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मार्क्स, किती मार्क्स साठी विचारला आहे त्याप्रमाणे तुम्ही त्याचा आन्सर लिहाल. फर्स्ट वी विल सी क्लोरोबियम स्पीशीज. Chlorobium is also called as Chlorochromatum, is the genus of green sulfur bacteria. They are photolithotrophic. Litho word येतो, photo म्हणजे sunlight आणि litho is nothing but inorganic compounds. Photoorganotrophic, sunlight आणि organic compound. Photolithotrophic म्हणजे sunlight पासन आणि oxidation of inorganic compound. the oxidize करतात of sulfur and most notably utilize a non-cyclic electron transport chain. हे सुद्धा आपण बघितलं आहे cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation मध्ये. To reduce NAD+, hydrogen sulfide is used as an electron source and CO2 as its carbon source. हे सगळं लक्षात ठेवायचे. There is no concept as such. या ऑर्गॅनिझम हा इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर आणि हा इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर यूज करतो, तर तुम्हाला ते लक्षातच ठेवावं लागेल. Then chlorobium species exhibit a dark green color. They are strictly anaerobic condition below the surface of the water body, commonly anaerobic zone of eutrophic lake. Eutrophication आपण बघितलं आहे, तिथे हळूहळू ऑक्सिजनचं डिप्लिशन होत असतं, तशा लेक्स मध्ये हे ऑर्गॅनिझम जनरली मिळतात. Chlorobium aggregatum is the species which exists in symbiotic relationship with the colorless non-photosynthetic bacteria. This species look like a bundle of green bacteria attached to the central rod-like cell which can move around the flagellum. हे ॲग्रिगॅटम आहे म्हणजे बेटा ते परत ॲग्रिगेटच्या फॉर्म मध्येच अपियर करतात. The green outer bacteria use light to oxidize sulfide to sulfate, and inner cell which is not able to perform photosynthesis reduce the sulfate into sulfide. आणि ते बाहेरून ज्यांनी फूड सिंथेसाइज केलं आहे त्यांच्यापासून फूड स्वतः यूज करतात. These bacteria divide in unigen. Unigen म्हणजे सोबत सोबत, स्वतःला दुसऱ्यांसोबत मल्टिप्लाय करायला हेल्प करतात. Giving the structure of multicellular appearance which is highly unusual in bacteria. युनिसेल्युलर बॅक्टेरिया जनरली असतात, पण हे काय करतात, दुसऱ्या बॅक्टेरियाच्या सोबत सोबत स्वतःला मल्टिप्लाय करतात सो दॅट दे अपियर लाईक अ मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम. They would produce huge quantities of methane and hydrogen sulfide which would cause global warming. जर हा गॅस जास्ती झाला बेटा तर आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंट मध्ये किंवा क्लायमेट चेंज होऊ शकतं. अँड ऍसिड रेन. जस्ट अ मिनिट. The next bacteria is एक मिनिट हा. So the next bacteria is, मगाशी आपण बघितलं बेटा क्लोरोबियम स्पीशीज. नेक्स्ट क्लोरोबियमचं दुसरं नाव होतं क्लोरोक्रोमॅटियम. द सेकंड वन इज क्लोरोबॅक्युलम. क्लोरोबियम टिपिडियम पण नाव आहे याचं. टेपिडियम इज अन अनएरोबिक फोटोट्रॉफिक बॅक्टेरिया that is also called as thermophiles. As a member of Chlorobiaceae family, it is a model organism of green sulfur bacteria. जे पण काही एक्सपेरिमेंट्स परफॉर्म केलेले आहे ते या ऑर्गॅनिझम वरती परफॉर्म केले आहे. The cells of this bacterium are gram-negative, non-motile rods of varying length that utilizes sulfur compounds. Chlorobaculum tepidum was isolated from certain acidic high sulfide New Zealand hot spring. As this is a thermophile, hot spring मध्ये हे generally मिळतात. Under phototrophic conditions, the growth rate of this bacterium is faster than any other anaerobic phototroph, as generations are produced about every 2 hours. Means त्यांचा generation time किती आहे बेटा? 2 hours. प्रत्येक 2 hours किंवा प्रत्येक 2 तासानंतर ते स्वतःला डबल करतात. Subsequently or consequently, it is an ideal candidate for studying photosynthesis and autotrophy in green bacteria. Now, how they will appear and what is the type of metabolism performed by these organisms. Chlorobaculum tepidum is a gram-negative cell that we have already studied, and it consists of photosynthetic system, and that system which consists of bacteriochlorophyll A, C, E, D. That complex is called as chlorosome, and it is having light harvesting centers including bacteriochlorophyll C and carotenoids that are surrounded by protein stabilized galactolipid monolayer that lies at the inner surface of cytoplasmic membrane. If you remember it, you can write, or you simply write bacteriochlorophyll C असतं त्याच्याजवळ आणि carotenoids. Two unusual features of this bacteria are, हे जे मी बोल्ड करून ठेवलंय लक्षात ठेवाल, its inability to produce oxygen and low toleration of oxygen despite being a photosynthetic organism. म्हणजे photosynthetic organism असून सुद्धा तो ऑक्सिजन जास्ती लेवल पर्यंत टॉलरेट करू शकत नाही, and its inability to produce oxygen. Chlorobium tepidum has ability to fix CO2 using again reverse TCA cycle using electron from hydrogen or reduced sulfur. हा कोणता पण deadly disease cause करत नाही, currently not known to cause any type of diseases. So this is about green sulfur bacteria, which includes 3: Chlorobium, Chlorobaculum and Chlorochromatium. Chlorobium च दुसरं नाव आहे बेटा Chlorochromatium. ते आपण एकत्र घेतलं आणि separately we have studied Chlorobaculum. In next video we will study green non-sulfur bacteria.